will see a return on it. You have no dancing. What is going on here? Sis, don't do that. I thought this was a dancing video, so I opened it up, but it says I spend 0 time proving myself to anybody. Is that why you aren't posting any video of your dancing? Welcome back to the podcast / YouTube show, The 6-Figure Side Hustle. Muse Goddess asks, what are some low budget, high return marketing techniques that we can follow? Well, funny you should ask that because I talk about one all the time. It's literally just posting on Instagram. How low budget is it? If you already have a phone and you already have internet service, then it's literally free. Your Instagram account is free. You taking and repurposing photos is free. If you want to take out the little @ symbol or the repost symbol, then you just pay like $1 a month. So that's $1. And all you need to do is invest your actual time into finding photos to repost. I do a whole video about how you can build out your Instagram page when you don't have any original content. What we have done with one of my business with the No Label Extensions page also is create an inspiration page. As a wholesale hair company owner, I cannot rely on any of my clients posting, tagging us as their source, because that would expose their plug. And then everyone that they sell to would know to just come to us and get it at half price. So that's the last thing that we're going to do. That's the last thing they're going to do. So knowing that we weren't going to have that feedback, knowing we weren't going to have that user-generated content, we decided to make an inspiration page that provides value to stylists, value to models, because we always try and tag the stylist and the model, and our audience is growing at like 1,000 followers a week. I think faster than that because we're almost at 22,000, and we started this at the start of the year. And this is with very little user-generated content. I'd say less than 5% of our posts are actually of like photos that we've taken ourselves. So posting on Instagram, as long as you are consistent, as long as you are smart about your posts, then you are going to grow. As long as you are using your hashtags and following all of the advice that I always drop, then like look through my videos on my channel. There are so many videos where I talk about Instagram strategies. So we won't get into all of them, but that is one free way. Another free way, it's what we're doing right here, right now. Yes, you guys know I have upgraded the cover my edges down here. You guys know I love me a glueless wig. Gotta keep that down, had all the puff. Illusion destroyed. Okay, so yes, I did upgrade my camera quality, but when I started off recording content, like the videos that have some of the highest views on them on my YouTube channel were shot on my iPhone. On my iPhone. That's it. If you want to go ahead and invest in more lights, really close. If you want to go ahead and invest in more lights, I got the ring light up there, got these box lights. I have so many lights. I have so many microphones, but I've been creating content like as my job. I was a broadcast journalist. I worked in the news. I've been a content creator for over a decade. This is just kind of what I do, but you don't need all of this equipment. I recorded videos on my cell phone to specifically show you that you could do it too, and that you don't need all of this fancy equipment, especially when you're not just getting started or when you're just getting started. That I feel is an excuse that people make. Oh, I don't have the right camera, or I'm going to wait until I can afford some lights. Get next to a window. Go out in the sun, that is the ultimate light source, and start recording on your cell phone. Show people what you're working with. When it comes to this hair, this No Label extension, I have to show up and I have to show you what I'm working with. Otherwise, you don't know that you have the opportunity to buy it. That is what you can do. Low budget, high return marketing techniques. Pull out your camera, start recording videos. Let me see. Muse Goddess is selling. You of all people should invest in a little, like, here, let me show you this. I got it on Amazon. I take it with me everywhere. I know it looks like a fun toy. Huh, ladies? Just playing. But this extends, and you know what fits in it perfectly? My cell phone. And then guess what? Here's a little tripod thing at the bottom. Invest $20 into this stand. Every time you are practicing, you should be recording yourself. Go live a couple of times a week. Make sure that you're rolling on this, doing popular dances to popular songs and all of that stuff in your version, your iteration. People love watching and consuming tons of content on the same subject. When something is going viral, it's not just about who's going to tell me about it first. It's me wanting to see how you are interpreting this information. What are you going to say about this? When it comes to you as a choreographer, you should be listening to like the trending things. See what challenges are going around there and show us how you are interpreting that through your artistry. Instagram was literally created for you. And then of course, YouTube is a wonderful visual medium, but Instagram, sis, that's where the attention is at. And people, I'm people. I'm people. I love watching people dance on Instagram. It brings me joy. I need to get back dancing. And so to see another person doing that, you are providing value. You are giving people like me joy because you're dancing for us to something popular and trendy, and we think, and it's just dope. So I think that is what you should be focused on, making sure that you're putting out constant content, showing what you can do, and I promise you will see a return on it. You have no dancing what is going on here? Sis, don't do that. I thought this was a dancing video, so I opened it up, but it says I spend 0 time proving myself to anybody. Is that why you are posting any video of your dancing? And the focus isn't gonna let it do that. It's not. I just don't understand. It's no dancing on here. Girl. Hashtags. Go ahead and look up the videos that I've done on hashtags. Daily, anytime you're dancing, you should just be recording it. I can't, girl, no, no, that's it. That's the end of this Q&A, because you don't even watch my other videos. I can tell by your content. And I don't mean to like go in on you, but I'm so hungry, so I really don't mean to go in on you. Let's see if the girl's ready for her coaching call. Thank you guys for sitting in on this Q&A session with me, Charlotte Green, CEO of No Label Extensions. We help women start hair extensions companies, launch their 6-figure side hustles in the hair extensions industry with our Hair Biz in a Box program. Make sure that you check that out at nolabelextensions.com.
Charlotte Green, pack the bowl with that Charlotte Green, Charlotte Green.